Are we recording? Hey, it's Matt, Hit Records Community Director. I've got a request here for illustrators. This is a follow-up request to our Prom Queen short film collaboration. Hundel Stiltskin is serving as the project's resident director of animation, and Jay Delgado 81 is the resident director of illustration. Recently, Hundel Stiltskin uploaded a really cool animatic. It pairs Lydia Saskia's testimonial with some animated storyboards.
There are loads of those like silly award things like most likely to be famous, most likely to host a quiz show. I think it was like the best dressed or something. Yeah, I got prom queen for it.
So now that we're working off a more specific animatic, we've identified some visual elements we hadn't previously requested to the community. So illustrators, here's how you can contribute. Check out the updated visual request list. You'll notice that there are some new props, but the main thing we're really looking for here are the backgrounds. Because the story takes place in London, we really want to get a variety of backdrops. So it could be like a skyline or some monuments like Big Ben or the House of Parliament or the Tower Bridge. Also, at the prom, we've added a new location where you see people getting their photographs taken outside of the prom before they walk in. But this is also where the prom rejects hang out and kind of smoke cigarettes and complain about the prom. Again, the animatic will show you how we foresee this looking. So that's a great reference to use when illustrating these backgrounds. For the visual style of this piece, we want to stay as close as possible to Jay Delgado 81's aesthetic. So check out his contributions and try to stay as close to that look as possible. But if you want to contribute some sketches or some mock-ups, that's totally fine too. The community can always take what you've done and remix it further. Alright, so let's keep these visuals coming. We're getting really close to the point of starting the animation, which is going to be really exciting. But we have a lot of stuff to work on still to get this one to the finish line. Alright, thanks.